Meal kits and nutrition deliveries are on the rise. And while food quality is what sets brands apart, delivery is a core part of the experience, and it's what encourages customers to keep coming back for more. When it comes to delivery, food and nutrition products require reliability and flexibility, as well as a business model that makes sense for scaling e-commerce retailers. That's why leading retailers like Gousto, Bulk, Biscuiteers and Butternut Box have turned to our delivery management platform, Scurri Connect, to reimagine how they manage delivery. With Scurri Connect, Gousto achieved 85% faster shipment prep times while growing their customer base. Bulk unlocked over £1 million in savings through carrier diversification. Butternut Box integrated new carriers at no extra cost, avoiding expensive custom builds. And Biscuiteers scaled without additional operational overhead. All of these Scurri customers have proved that when it comes to food and nutrition delivery, cost reduction and premium customer experience don't have to be a trade-off. Discover more of our customer stories at the link provided. For more delivery management insights, visit scurri.com.